Today we will be reviewing the Humidifier mushroom humidifier. It has a USB port, so you can hook it up to anywhere that has that, or you could just use an adapter if you want to put it into an outlet. And it has a maximum storage of 200 milliliters and can last for 5.5 hours. And to turn it on, you just tap the power button. Now you can see there's mist coming out, but of course it's also an LED. To activate that, you need to tap it twice, lightly and quickly. There, and now you can see there's an LED clearly. It will brighten and dim itself, and to turn it off you would just tap it twice again, and to turn off the humidifier, the mist, you just press it once. So humidifier, press once to turn it on and off. And for the LED, you press it twice. Sometimes the controls do get mixed up, but it's still pretty simple. Well, that is the Humidifier mushroom humidifier.